and welcome to our channel, Creecher Toys. Today's Christmas Day, the 25th, and we got this thing, our 3D printer called Toybox, and basically you download an app on like your phone or your computer, and you press print, and like your Toybox just starts doing it. And I'm going to tell you how to set up your Toybox, how to get your Toybox all ready, and how to make these cool things. As you can see right now, I am making a snowflake. This is really important. So if you have a Toybox, you have to have printer food, otherwise this is not going to print anything. Printer food can be basically any color. Right now I am using light blue printer food, but like this is red printer food. So like there's lots of different colors of printer food, as you can see. So here's all the different colors of printer food, plus light blue. So to set up your Toybox, first you will download the app, and the app will tell you step by step on what to do. Our toy is ready, but since it's ready, we have to wait 30 seconds until it cools down. So and then we literally just take this thing out and peel it off, and then you got your first toy. This is just a magnet, so you just give it a nice pull up like this, and then pull it out. And so it has been 30 seconds, and then you just peel your toy off. So this is our finished product, the snowflake that we...
Snowflake ornament?
Yes, the snowflake ornament. So, and then like, look at
Then you can go back into the toy library and choose something else.
Right.